Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Permission, Mister. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mohammad Nuryanto. You can call me Riva. From class 11 Automotive 1. Number absent 17. Here I will briefly explain material about electrical welding. Electrical welding is a process of joining two pieces of metal by melting the metal material using heat generated by an electric current. The three are two main types of electric welding: arc welding and welding with electrodes. Here are the general steps in electrode welding. 1. Preparation. Prepare the welding machine electrodes and the workpieces to be welded. Ensure the workpieces and are clean from dirt or rust. Number 2. Setting parents. Determine the electric current to be used based on the tips of metal zinc welded on and the size of the electrode. Number 3. Welding process. Turn on the welding machine and create an electric arc between the electrode and the workpiece. The heat from 3 arc will melt the metal and the electrode, which will fill the chain and form a strong bond as it cools down. Number 4. Cooling. Once the welding is complete, allow the joint to cool and solidify.